In this example, we're going to take something that has been written to a power and write it in expanded form. Basically rewrite it so that you don't have exponents. The exponent in this problem is a 2. The base is directly below and to the left. And what is directly below and to the left of our exponent is a right parenthesis, which means the entire set of parentheses is raised to the second power. So if you're going to write that without exponents, that would be a 5a times another 5a. We don't need to evaluate this any further. They just want us to write that in expanded form. So basically write it without exponents, and then you're done with the problem. For letter B, we'll take a look at a negative b to the 4th. Our exponent here is 4. Directly below and to the left is our letter b. So the question is that negative included as part of the base? Is that also raised to the 4th power, or is just the b raised to the 4th power? And to do that, it probably makes more sense to think of it this way. If you have a negative in front of a variable, that is like a -1 times that variable. So this negative b that's here is really like -1 times b. So what is being raised to the 4th power here is just the b. In order for the negative to be included in the base of the exponent, it would need to be in parentheses with the b. Similar to the 5a up above, the 5 here is raised to the 2nd power. We are writing that twice when we write it in expanded form, because it is part of the base because of the parentheses. But here, the negative, or the -1, is not. So when you write this out, this is really like a -1 times b multiplied by itself 4 times. For letter C, we have 3c cubed multiplied by the quantity c plus 7 squared. So again, what you have to do this problem successfully is identify what the base of each of your exponents is. We have our cubed that's here. Directly below and to the left is the c, so the 3 is not being raised to the 3rd power. So I'm just going to write that once. C is raised to the 3rd power, so that's c times c times c. Here we have a squared. Directly below and to the left is a right parenthesis, so the entire quantity c plus 7, that is being raised to the 2nd power. So your final answer, written in expanded form without parentheses, would look like that.